My name's Cassy Aite. I'm one of the founders and the CEO of Nibbles. Nibbles makes it incredibly easy for offices to order snacks, beverages, fresh fruit, and more. You can imagine ordering for 20 plus people in an office is very difficult because it's not easy to understand all of the dietary preferences and restrictions that people have. You have people that are vegan, people that are gluten-free, people that are allergic to peanuts. So what we do is we create smart technology to make it easier for offices, office managers, and people that are purchasing snacks and food in the office for their employees to make sure that everyone in the office is happy and taken care of. So it was actually my brother and one of our founders. He used to work at Shopify as a developer, and he saw firsthand what it's like to actually have healthy and delicious food in the office and the impact that it has on productivity and the happiness of employees. And he saw the difficulty it is, or how difficult it is to actually manage it logistically. So he thought, well, we can create smarter technology that makes it easy to actually purchase these kind of things for the employees and make sure that everyone's happy. And that's kind of how we came up with the idea. So one of the tools we created is a Slack chatbot. So you can download the chatbot to your Slack channel. It looks like there's another person in the channel, and you can give direct feedback based on your preferences as an employee. So employees would, for example, say that they liked a snack or that they're requesting a snack. Using natural language processing, we understand what their dietary preferences are, and we will understand basically what to source to not only create a time efficiency from a purchasing perspective, so you don't have to spend a lot of time purchasing online, but also in terms of what you're spending to make sure that people are actually enjoying what you're purchasing for your employees.